Hello everyone, how are you guys? Bringing you another Clash Royale video, and this time bringing you the decks for the Elixir Marathon event. Actually, for now I have played the first two parts of this challenge and I am a little low on time, so I'll play the remaining two challenges tomorrow. Also, I'll be sharing the decks for the first two part, and for the third part I'll tell you deck which I think should work, but as I have not played, so I will not be able to say it for sure. So let's quickly, I'll take you to the results. This is the first game of the event, and the first part, the ramp up part, I win 3 games back to back, so it is not a problem. Also, there is no loss count, so it doesn't matter. In the second part I won 2 games, then I lost 2 games, because you can see the opponent's deck. And for this part I will suggest you should use this Mega Knight deck for this part of the challenge, because it is a fast cycle deck and you will be able to cycle Mega Knight pretty fast, and Mega Knight along with the Royal Giant, and that should do for you and you will be able to win without having to retry the event. So here he has changed the deck, but you can see it here. You use the Mega Knight deck for this part of the challenge, for the second part of the challenge, as my deck is a little on the heavier side and it is difficult to play against such fast cycle decks. Also, for the third part I would say you should use the Lava Loon deck that I showed before this, to which I lost before this, and as I said, I'll play it and I can be sure that you can use that deck or not. So with that, I'll play the replay of the last game. I hope you enjoy the replay and I'll see you on the other side. So with that I completed the second part of the challenge. Apart from Lava Loon, I think the main deck for the Infinite Elixir challenge can also work in the third part of the challenge. I'll show you the deck at the end and you can use that as well. So these are the decks that I suggested for each part of the challenge, and you can play them and I am sure that they will work. That was all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.